Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp. So let's start. First open the WhatsApp app. Here you can see that my WhatsApp is now on light mode. Now let me show you how can turn into dark mode. Tap on three dots on top right corner. Then go to settings. Now tap on chats. Under the display section you'll see themes. Tap on that. Light mode is selected by default. Now tap on dark and then tap OK. And your WhatsApp will turn into dark mode. And here you can see that your WhatsApp has totally turned into dark mode. Now let's go back to themes again. And if you tap on system default, then if your system is on dark mode, then your WhatsApp will automatically be turned on dark mode. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.